Good day everyone, I am Mr. ATL and welcome to my classroom. Today's lesson, we are going to represent function in real-life situation including piecewise functions. So let's start. So we're going to start with the observant plantita. There's a situation, a plantita is tracking the progress of her plant's growth. Today, her plant is already 15 cm high. According to a plant expert, her plant grows 2 cm per day. Questions. How tall will be her plant tomorrow? Number 2. How tall will be her plant after 5 days? Number 3. How tall will be her plant after 10 days? And number 4. Create a function model in h of x representing the height of the plant after x days. So here's the solution. So we have for tomorrow, after 1 day, that will be 15 plus 2 times 1. So 15 centimeters plus 2 multiplied by 1, that will become 17 centimeters. After 5 days, that will be 25 centimeters. After 10 days, that will be 35 centimeters. And after x days, just change that 1, 5, and 10 by x. So another way on how to find the function model, so looking at this is constant, and also this, and this will become your x. So that will be our function model in representing the height of the plant in x days. So that is h of x equals to x plus 15. Okay, so here is our function model in h of x representing the height of the plant after 1 day, after 5 days, after 10 days, and after x days. So after this, we're going to create more function model. In my class, I am asking some students to participate and interact with my Jamboard. So in this lesson, I asked Paul V to participate and interact with my Jamboard by sketching the graph of the given function, which is the h of x equals to 2x plus 15. Okay, so good afternoon, Paul V.
Good
So
afternoon, sir.
I'm gonna show you a problem and I'm going to read it for you. Then you will be solving these 4 questions. So the situation is this. A plantita is tracking the progress of her plant's growth. Today, her plant is already 15 centimeter high. According to a plant expert, her plant grows 2 centimeter per day. So these are the following questions. Can you read it and try to answer that? But before that, I'm going to join you in this Jamboard. So, okay. I'm going to add your name here or your email address. Share anyway. So can you interact with my Jamboard?
Yes, sir. I have the permission already.
Sige, go ahead.
So, I'll read the question. So, according to a plant expert, her plant grows 2 centimeters per day. So, for question number 1, how tall will be her plant tomorrow? So, when we say tomorrow, we will have 1 day. Ayan. And according to the expert, we have, or the plant grows 2 centimeters per day. So we will multiply 1 by 2. Or we can also multiply 2 by 1. because 2 is a constant. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus the 15 centimeters, which is the actual or the starting height of the plant. So 2 plus 15. After a day, we will have the height of 17 centimeters.
Okay, that's correct.
So for number 2, tall will be her plant after 5 days? So we will apply the same procedure. We will multiply 2 by the number of days, which is...
Excuse me. You may go to the third slide of my Jamboard so
Okay,
that we
sir.
could have bigger space for that.
Yes. Ayun. So for number 2,
The question is already there also in the third
yes.
slide.
I am now interacting with the third slide, sir.
Oh, but I can see it. Okay, so that's
Okay.
it. Go ahead.
So for number 2, we will just multiply 2 centimeters by the number of days. Oh, sorry. Hmm.
Okay, so this time, I'm going to ask you to graph the function model h of x equals to 2x plus 15. So I have already the Cartesian plane and the grids. Okay, so can you graph the function h of x equals to 2x plus 15 here?
Yes, sir. I will start graphing. So in slide 4,
Slide number 4, yes. Okay.
so first to graph the function 2x plus 15, we will graph it. It is a linear function. So the
Yes.
first step is to plot the y-intercept. So we will count vertically. It's a positive 15, so upwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 15 is around here.
Okay.
So let's add the arrows. And
Yes.
so that's the graph of the function h of x equals to 2x plus 15.
Okay, thank you so much, Paul. Okay, so ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ginagamit ang Google Jamboard. So una, i-present muna natin or mag-present muna tayo ng ating screen. Okay, sunod, mag-open tayo ng Google. Make sure na naka-log in yung inyong DepEd account. So ito yon. Ngayon, pupunta lang kayo dito sa Jamboard. Open nyo lang yan. So mag-add tayo ng isa pang Jamboard. Okay, so dito, pwede kayong magsulat. Okay. So, pwede rin kayong mag-iba ng color ng pen nyo. Pwede nyong pakapalin. Okay. So, pwede nyo rin siyang burahin. Ayan, pwede. Gamit lang ang mouse. Pero sa case ko, kapag ka nagtuturo kasi ko, gumagamit ako ng um, tablet at ng stylus. So, para medyo maayos yung sulat ko, ito yung ginagamit ko. For example, So, h of x equals, pwede nyong i-back yun kapag ka nagkamali kayo. So, 2x plus 15. So, kumpara kapag gagamit ka ng mouse, pwede naman siya, ayan, ganito. Pero kasi ako, medyo nahirapan akong gumamit kapag ka mouse, tsaka medyo natatagalan pa ako. Pero pwede rin naman siya na mouse. Ganyan. Okay, so, after nun, pwede ka rin maglagay ng sticky notes. For example, meron kang gustong ilagay na reminder, meeting, 1 p.m. Yan. So, pwedeng ganyan. Okay, pwede nyo ilipat-lipat, pwede nyo rin siyang lakihan. So, sunod, pwede ka rin mag-add ng image ng shapes dito, pwede rin. Ayan. So, sa pagtuturo ng math, importante rin ang pag-draw ng mga figures. Semicircle, pwede rin ganyan. Okay. So, sunod, pwede ka rin maglagay ng text box. Like this. So, lagay natin, yung subject natin is General Mathematics. Ayan. So, pwede nyo resize. Ayan. Lakihan nyo. Lagay nyo doon sa unahan. Sunod, pwede rin kayo maglagay or gumamit ng laser kapag magpe-present kayo. For example, meron kayong gustong i-emphasize na ganyan, pero nawawala rin siya. Or i-encircle nyo, parang ganyan. So, nawawala din siya. Yan. So, ito yung mga basic functions nitong Jamboard. Sunod. Next slide. Kahit ilang slides, pwede siya. Oh. Doon tayo sa second slide. So, dito naman, pwede kang mag-set ng background mo. For example, dotted, ganyan. O kung gusto mo naman, merong horizontal line. Parang sa pagsusulat lang ng pang-elementary, pwede ito. Oh. Okay, so, ilagay natin dito. For example, magsusolve sila. 4 plus 3 equals 2 plus 5. Pwede po yan. Okay, next slide. Pwede rin naman kung ito ay parang wrapping paper siya, no? Pwede rin siyang black na black, no? Tapos, mag-solve ka gamit ang white na pen. So, parang ganyan. So, pwede rin ibang kulay. Pwede rin picture. Okay? So, depende sa iyo. So, ito yung nagagamit ko kapag nagtuturo ako ng subject ko na general math or kapag gumagawa ako ng video lesson. And then, so, paano nyo sila i-join dito sa Jamboard para makapagsulat din sila dito sa share. Tapos, so, mag-add ka, for example, si Paul Vincent, ganyan. I-add ko lang yan, then send. So, ganun lang po. Okay, so, proceed na po tayo sa next.
Concept motivation strategy. The teacher uses the concept motivation strategy where the curiosity of the students is being used to motivate and engage them about the concept by number 1. Posing problems that concretize ideas and reduce anxiety to the learners. So as math teachers, we believe that an appropriate way to teach mathematics at all levels is to do it through applications rather than to use traditional lectures. Number 2, elaborating the problem or asking them to do it. So this is to maintain the curiosity in their mind and their eagerness to learn what you are teaching. And if they really understand the problem after the process of elaborating it, they will become more motivated and engaged to the teaching and learning process. Number 3, giving lots to HOTS questions that will stimulate their minds to think and to be engaged. So, by giving lots to HOTS questions, you are teaching the students to a step-by-step method to solve the problem. Also, higher order thinking skills questions promote critical thinking skills, because in here, you're actually giving the students an opportunity to apply, analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information instead of simply recalling facts.
Good day everyone! I'm your Mr. ETL and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the continuation of the solving problems involving piecewise functions. Alam kong may hirapan kayo doon sa part ng representing piecewise function model given doon sa situation. So may panibago tayong situation. Okay, so pakinggan nyo.
Hi, I'm Richie May. Are you feeling good today? Oh, by the way, I'm about to go to the office where I am working. But in this time of pandemic, riding public jeepney and buses is difficult to access and really dangerous. So, I need to keep myself safe and free to the virus.
Good day everyone, so I'm Eldrian. So right now I'm looking for passengers. The passengers will pay a fixed rate of 500 pesos per 10 kilometers. If they exceeded that, they will pay additional 50 pesos per kilometer.
Si Eldrian daw ay mayroong private car at gagamitin niya yon para makatulong sa mga nangangailangang pasahero. So, ang sabi niya rin dyan, ang fixed rate na sisingilin niya sa mga pasahero ay 500 pesos. Para yun doon sa mula 0 to 10 kilometers. So, kapag hindi ka sumobra ng 10 kilometers, 500 pesos. Pero kung sobra ka sa 500 pesos, bawat kilometer mo ay babayaran mo ng 50 pesos. Okay, so pag sinabing fixed rate, ito yung hindi magbabago kasi fixed talaga siya na 500 pesos. Magbabago lang yung iyong pamasahe kapag sumobra ka na ng 10 kilometers. Okay, so para mas maintindihan niyo pang mabuti ang ating situation, may mga sumusunod na problem. So, pakinggan nyo.
I reached 8 kilometers. How much will I pay, Eldrian?
Okay, sa problem, si Mrs. Jean Katandihan ay nag-travel ng 8 kilometers. So, kung ang distance mo ulit, sabi dun sa problem, kapag 0 to 10 kilometers, 500 pesos ang fixed rate. So, without any computation, ang babayaran niyang pamasahe is 500 pesos. Okay?
I want to travel from Navotas to Quezon City. I think that is 10 kilometers. How much will I pay to Eldrian?
Okay, so sunod naman, nag-travel si Ala ng 10 kilometers. So, ulitin natin yung situation. Kapag 0 to 10 kilometers, meron siyang fixed rate na 500 pesos. So, since ang distance na na-travel ni Alan is 10 kilometers, therefore, 500 pesos pa rin ang babayaran niya.
Oh, me and my friends need to travel from Navotas to UP Diliman. And I've searched already, and according to my mobile app, it's 14 kilometers away. How much do we need to pay, Eldrian?
Si Justin naman at ang kanyang grupo ay
nag-travel ng 14 kilometers. So, paano natin sasolve yun? So, again, ang distance na na-travel niya is 14 kilometers. Ang sabi doon, kapag 0 to 10 kilometers, that is 500 pesos fixed rate. Now, kung sobra ng 10 kilometers, bawat kilometer daw ay magdadagdag ng 50 pesos. So, paano yon? Let's say, meron kang 11 kilometers, so may sobra siya na 1. So, magdadagdag ka ngayon ng 50 pesos. O, dumaan siya ng 12 kilometers, ng 13 kilometers, at ng 14 kilometers. So, bawat kilometer daw ay 50 pesos, 50 pesos, and 50 pesos. So, para malaman kung magkano yung babayaran nila, i-add lang natin. So, magkano yan? That is 700 pesos. Ito ngayon yung babayaran ni Justin at ng kanyang friends na paghahati-hatian naman nila syempre. Okay?
Oh, I'm having hard times when computing for the fare. Do you have a formula so I can easily find the relation of the total payment to the distance traveled by the passengers?
Okay, so to represent the situation using piecewise function, let us have that D be the distance. Ito yung distance or number of kilometers na na-travel ng car. And P represent the payment of the passenger para dun sa driver na si Eldrian. Okay? So, paano tayo gagawa ng piecewise function ito? So, sinabi doon kanina, kapag ka ang distance ay mula sa, wag na natin isama si 0 kasi, syempre, kunyari, hindi ka na nga nag-travel, hindi na umandar yung car, pero magbabayad ka pa rin ba ng 500? So, gawin natin, when D is greater than 0, but less than or equal to 10 kilometers. So, ito yung first na case natin. Kapag karaw ganyan, ang gagawin ng passenger, magbabayad ng 500 pesos. Okay? So, kung ang yung D ay lalagpas ng 10, let's say we have 11, 12, 13, and so on, no? So, check natin. So, ang gagawin kasi dito ay magbabayad ng 50 pesos for every kilometers na nag-exceed doon sa 10 kilometers. So, kapag ka 11, yung 500 para sa 10 kilometers, dadagdagan niya ng 50 pesos para doon sa 1 na sobra na kilometer na nag-exceed doon sa 10. So, pero yung itong 1 na ito ay gagawin nating 11 minus 10. Since 11 minus 10 is still equal to 1, gagawin lang natin siya para makabuo tayo ng function model. So, ang mangyayari dito is 1 times 50 plus 500 is 550. Yun yung babayaran, no? So, kapag ka 12 kilometers, yung 10 kilometers at yung 2, ito yung total na babayaran times 50. Pero yung 2, gagawin lang natin 12 minus 10. Okay? Another, when it is 13 kilometers, yung para sa 10 kilometers niya na 500 pesos, plus 3 times 50. Meron siyang sobrang 3 kilometers. Yung 3 ay gagawin ko lang 13 minus 10, since parehas lang naman yan sa 3, para lang makabuo tayo ng function model. Makabuo tayo ng piecewise function. So, hanggang sa positive infinity, yung distance mo rito ay greater than 10. Pag sumobra na raw sa 10, ganito yung mga computation, no? So, kung titingnan nyo yung behavior ng mga numbers dito, 500 is constant. Your 50 is constant. Etong 11, 12, 13, ito yung iyong D. Okay? So, lagay natin yung D. Minus, and then yung 10 is still constant. Is-simplify lang natin yung ating expression dito. So, bring down 500. plus 50 times D is 50D. 50 times negative 10 is negative 500. So, 500 minus 500 is 0. Then, matitira is 50D. So, 50D, ito ang gagamitin kapag ka ang D mo is greater than 10. So, isum up na natin yung piecewise function. So, our P is equal to 500. Ito yon. Gagamitin natin ito kapag ka ang D natin is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 10. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, yung first equation. Another one, gagamitin natin yung 50D kapag ang distance na na-travel ay greater than 10 or sumobra na yan sa 10. So, ito na yung ating piecewise function. Okay, so paano ba gagamitin ang piecewise function na ito para ma-check natin kung talagang okay siya, no? Kung talagang tama siya. So, i-check natin. So, nakalagay dyan, si Jean ay nag-travel ng 8 kilometers. Si Alan naman is 10 kilometers. And si Justin and her friends ay 14 kilometers. So, check natin. So, kung 8 kilometers, makikita yan dito. So, dahil ang 8 ay nasa pagitan yan. Ang 8 ay mataas sa 0, pero mababa sa 10. So, kapag ka ganito, ang gagamitin mo is P equals 500. P equals 500. Ganun agad siya. So, kapag ka 10 kilometers naman, kung makikita nyo, ang 10 is mataas kay 0, pero mababa kay 10 kasama si 10 dahil meron tayong equal dito. So, therefore, still, gagamitin natin yung first. P equals to 500 pesos. What about kapag ka 14 kilometers? So, kapag 14 kilometers, makikita mo yon dito dahil ang D ay mataas sa 10. Ang 14 ay mataas sa 10. So, therefore, gagamitin natin itong pangalawa which is P equals 50 times D where D is 14. So, multiply nyo, it will become 700. So, therefore, ito yung babayaran ni Justin. So, if we will add yung mga babayaran nila, that is 1,700 pesos. Ito yung kita ni Eldrian sa tatlong passenger. So, kung meron pang susunod na passenger, syempre, mas tataas ang kanyang kita. Okay? Okay, so I hope you enjoy learning about the solving problems involving piecewise functions. And before I end up my video, I would like to give my special thanks to my guests and Mr. Eldrian Dalican, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye!